Welcome to SNL Adventures in Food, episode number 3 in one day. You guys probably thought he ain't gonna come back for a third episode. You guys probably even say he ain't gonna come back for a second episode. But I'm back. It's about 10 p.m. So it's kind of late dinner, but it's gonna be worth it. So today, what we have here for dinner is Izzyhana, or Izzy's. You guys are probably like, you're talking about Benihana. No, it's not Benihana. It's Izzyhana. Let's check it out. Look, let me give you a sneak peek. You got chicken fried rice, vegetables, steak, and shrimp. What a life I live, huh? Starving, yeah, right. This right here, Izzyhana's. It's not Benihana's. This is a lunch truck on 4 wheels, and I never tasted it. It was sent to me to try it. Gotta send a shout out to the Soto family. Thank you for letting me know about this location, and also happy birthday to Ryan. Happy birthday. And we're about to get into this feast right here. Like I said, this is Izzyhana's in East Los Angeles, California, also known as East Los, right on Whittier Boulevard. Oh, it was crazy tonight. He had all the lowriders up and down the boulevard hitting switches. They took it back to the old school with the mini trucks with the bed dancing. Woo! It was nice out there. And then just food trucks everywhere. But this is the one I want to went to. So let's see how this is, and let's get this going. So, like I said, I got fried rice, my vegetables, shrimp, and steak, and then I got my sauces. I don't know the names of them. I believe this one's the yummy sauce, what they call it. That's probably the only one I know, and it's spicy for the food. I love it. The other ones, I guess, is for your vegetables or the shrimp, I guess. But we're gonna try them all. We'll try all these sauces. Already put garlic butter in my rice. And this right here is looks like caramel. It smells good though. So we're gonna put all these aside. It's gonna be our sauces. And guess what? I finally got a fork. I had to. This time I couldn't say medieval times. So here we go. Got me a shrimp with the yummy sauce. That sauce is spicy. I love it. I got the steak. It's nice and chopped up. Let's try it out also. It's delicious, man. Very good, very good. The zucchini. Let's try another sauce. They're good. So yeah, this place, like I said, it's a lunch truck. I like Benihana's without the show. Actually, it was a show. The boulevard was a show, cracking with lowriders. Even better than these guys flipping their tools, you know, and going. And they go. Or they're flipping their. Oh shit. They were flipping their beds of their trucks. So I guess it was a dinner and a show. Those are just to go. We'll try another shot. This sauce right here. It's good, man. So right now, I give me a lot of onions, but it's all good. We'll try them. Well, it's a lot more onions than vegetables, and the zucchinis. It's all good though. We're good. We got the fried rice. Oh, It's good. I'm not complaining. This thing's good. More steak. So, how many of you have gotten something similar to Hana's? I know there's another restaurant, Tokyo Wacko, same concept as Hana's. I know there's this one. Probably more out there that I don't know of. And if you do, let me know. I'll go visit them and do a review on their food. It's good. When I was there, there was nothing but street vendors. So right next to this vendor was a lady selling agua frescas, fresh waters. So I love agua fresca de limon. That's what I got right here. Let me take a couple of drinks so I can show it to the camera because it's too high. I might spill it. And it has lime slices in it. It's good. Oh, and it has chia seeds, just like the other video I did the tacos. Like I said, I don't know why they're in there, but it is what it is. I guess it's a secret ingredient. But so it's like agua fresca with Izzyhana. So Japanese with Mexican drink. You know, I guess it's a good combination. But still is good. I recommend it. It says in East Los Angeles on Whittier Boulevard. Izzyhana. Go ahead and Google it, Yelp it. Or if you guys want to know the directions, leave a comment. I'll let you guys know exactly where it's at. It's a lot of food. The price is not too bad. Izzyhana is more expensive. Why? Because they're charging you for the show. All that fancy knife flipping and egg churning and all that. It ain't free. They're charging you along with your food. So, minus the show, it's cheaper. And it's delicious. And you bring it home. You make your own show. So, this thing's delicious. I wanna say thank you, whoever was waiting for this third show in one day. Probably saying, well, he ain't gonna post for a while because he posted 3 videos in one night. Well, I mean, one day. Don't get that wrong, because I have the cowboy steak coming. If it's not tomorrow, it will be Sunday. But it's going to be this weekend. It's already in the fridge, marinated. It's ready to go. Just keep it coming. All this wonderful food. Just bless it. To have food on the table. People are probably saying, oh, all that food is free, it's sponsored. None of this is sponsored. This is out of my pocket. I'll pay for it. If you guys want to sponsor me and send me food, let me know. I'll shoot you my address. You can Zelle me the money, whatever you want to do to support the cause. But as far as right now, this is out of my own money, out of my own pocket. So don't think this is advertisement. How many of you guys enjoy this type of food? Japanese food is what they call it. It's steak, shrimp, fried rice, vegetables. They had the option chicken and lobster also, but that's too much food. All I've been doing today is eating. And I'm not getting paid to eat. I just love to eat. But I love the sauce, the yummy sauce. Yummy sauce, I know sometimes they call it a Diablo sauce. Kind of looks like Thousand Island, but no, it's not Thousand Island. It's good. I actually know the recipe to this. I've never tried it. I have the recipe to it though. one day I'll give it a shot and make it. You know what, actually, probably try to make it for the cowboy steak. See how it comes out. So, I like to try different things. I just don't like to eat food. I like to cook the food also. So, I have a little bit of cooking talent on the barbecue grill, in the kitchen, and with my smoker, smoking meats from ribs, chicken, sausage, turkey, pig, you name it. Delicious food in the smoker. And that's how the cowboy steak, we're gonna do that this weekend. You guys can tune in. You guys will see everything how it's done. I could use this food. There was probably about a 25-minute wait line to order from this food truck, and probably about another 30 minutes to get your food. It was worth it though. Like I said, while I was there, I had a show of all the lowriders cruising the boulevard. It was nice. And then you get to enjoy this food. So it's pretty cool. Big line, a lot of people. It's worth it. Very worth it. Wow, they served me up a lot of onions. A lot of grilled onions. I guess an onion is a vegetable. I guess it is. They should have put on there onions, not just vegetables. Probably only got like 3 zucchinis out of this little spot right here, but it is what it is. They gave me a lot of steak and good amount of shrimp, so I can't complain. Delicious. Well, getting kind of full kind of quick. Like I said, I've been eating all day long, but I promised you guys 3 videos, 3 reviews. Kept my word. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends, your family, anybody out there that to watch my channel, to check out all the yummy food, and just be on the lookout, because let me see, we're gonna be going around different areas and posting up. You see these around? That's us. SNL Adventures in Food. Subscribe. Like I said, tell a friend, and have a good time on our channel. If you guys got any special requests, let me know. Comment. Even if you guys just want a shout out, let me know. Let me know you guys are there, watching this, enjoying this, so we can keep this going. So I know you guys enjoy watching my videos, and hopefully we continue to grow. So I think this is where I'm gonna have to cut this video short, because I'm full. Can't eat no more. I just wanted to do this video for you guys, and let you guys know that we're here to stay. Delicious. So, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell your neighbor, your mom, your dad, cat, your dog, chickens, you name it. Do what you gotta do to spread the word that we're here to stay, and we're making these videos for you. You guys have a good night, and I'll see you guys till the next video. Y'all stay blessed and have a good day.